What's going on, guys? Perspective here, and finally Blizzard announced the very last World of Warcraft Classic beta stress test. And in addition to that, they released the minimum system requirements to run the game, which I'm going to show right here. And based on this information here, I've come up with a build inspired by that using parts from 2009 to 2014. Starting off with the GPU, we have the Radeon R7 240, released in 2013. Also from 2013, we have the AMD A8 7600 quad-core CPU. Next, from 2011, we have 8 GB of Patriot Signature memory. And for our motherboard, we got the Gigabyte GAF2868HMDS2H from 2014. For our power supply, we have the NZXT PP600 from 2008. For our storage, we're going to use a 160 GB Seagate mechanical hard drive from 2005. And last, we got a bunch of 120mm fans from God knows when. And then we're going to take all those parts and we're going to stick them in a ThermalTake View 22 tempered glass. Why? Because I can. I don't want to stick it in some old ugly PC case. Why not make it look good? Anyway, without further ado, let's zug and let's get to work. I just totally ruined that.
now return to our regularly scheduled program.
Please.
Might be with you.
The very last World of Warcraft Classic beta stress test, and that's going to be on Thursday, August 8th at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. My chair is shrinking on me right now. What's going on, guys? My name is Lego Bro. So log in during the first 2 hours to stress the hell out of them servers. Why do you keep forgetting your lines? Just to have it on record, here is the minimum specs WoW Classic PC. I understand it's Windows 10. One of the reasons why I haven't released this video yet is because I was trying to get everything installed on Windows XP, which was extremely difficult to do, especially with the hard drive that failed on me, which I had a feeling that was going to happen, but I wanted to keep this as true to old spec as possible, but unfortunately, with the exception of the hard drive, I can only achieve that so much. But here we are, A8 7650K. I have an R7 240 in here. I'll show you using DX Diag right here.